In this video, I will tell you how to identify the branches of lumbar plexus in the posterior abdominal wall. So here you can see the dissected posterior abdominal wall. Above you will find the diaphragm, and in the posterior abdominal wall you will find the structures of the midline, like you will be able to see the inferior vena cava and the aorta in the midline, and on the side of it, here I am taking the right side, you will find a tendinous muscle, a muscle going down into the iliac fossa. So this muscle is the psoas muscle, which joins with iliacus in the iliac fossa to form iliopsoas. Lateral to it, you will find another muscle, quadratus lumborum. Further laterally, you will find the transversus abdominis, which forms the anterolateral abdominal wall. Now, in the body, you will find kidney in this position. You'll find right kidney in this position, and from the hilum of the kidney, you'll find ureter going down. So if I draw the outline of the kidney over here, it will be like this, and the ureter will be going down in the pelvis. So for identifying the lumbar muscles, you have to know lumbar nerves, you have to know that psoas major is the key muscle of the posterior abdominal wall. The branches of lumbar plexus we identify only after identifying the psoas major muscle. Now the main branches which we need to identify are the iliohypogastric nerve, the ilioinguinal nerve, the lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh, femoral nerve, genitofemoral nerve, and obturator nerve. I have written the branches of lumbar plexus in this sequence because these four nerves, they lie lateral to the psoas major. Genitofemoral lies in front of the psoas major, and obturator lies medial to the psoas major. As you all know that the lumbar plexus is formed within the substance of the psoas major muscle. So if you lift the kidney, you will find just beneath the diaphragm, you will find three structures: one artery, one vein, and in the lowermost level a nerve I am drawing with brown. So these three are subcostal vessels and nerves, not the branches of lumbar plexus. Beneath the kidney you find two nerves. So you are looking for the nerves at the lateral border of the psoas major muscle. Lifting the kidney, first you will find iliohypogastric nerve. Then you will find ilioinguinal nerve. Third will be the lateral cutaneous nerve of the thigh. And the fourth one will be the big femoral nerve. Piercing the substance of psoas major, lying in front of it will be the genitofemoral nerve, which you can confirm by seeing that it is being crossed above by the ureter. And if you have to look for the obturator nerve, you will look along the medial border of the psoas major. You will find a nerve, thick nerve lying there, that will be the obturator nerve. Remember, when you are identifying the structures on the right side, you have to name them like right subcostal vessels and nerve, right iliohypogastric, right ilioinguinal, right lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh, right femoral nerve, right genitofemoral nerve, and the right obturator nerve. Another structure which you may get and which will help you to identify is between the lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh and ilioinguinal, you may find the fourth lumbar artery. So the key muscle is psoas major, and lateral to it you will find quadratus lumborum, and all the lumbar nerves, branches of the lumbar plexus, you are going to identify looking at the psoas major.